In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up and customize your project in Clickup. To begin, open Clickup and navigate to the area where your work lives. In this example, we are working from a meetings list inside a meeting tracker. Once you are in the correct list view, you can start customizing how information is displayed so it is easier to scan and manage. First, go to the top of the list and click on Filter. Filters help you control what you see, which is useful when a list grows over time. After you open the filter area, select the highlighted option shown in the menu and then select the next highlighted option. These choices let you refine your list so the right items stand out and distractions are minimized. A helpful tip is to keep filters consistent across your team so everyone is looking at the same set of tasks when reviewing progress. Next, click on Group. Grouping changes how tasks are organized on the screen. After you open the grouping options, click the highlighted selection shown. This is a practical way to cluster related items, such as grouping by status, assignee, or another key attribute, so the list becomes easier to review during planning and meetings. Now move to Subtasks. Click on Subtasks, then click on Show Subtasks. This is important because many projects include work that lives under a parent task. Showing subtasks gives you more detail without needing to open every task one by one. It also helps you confirm that the smaller action items are actually tracked, assigned, and moving forward. After that, click on Meetings in the left navigation to return to your meetings area. From here, select the highlighted options shown in the interface as you follow along. These clicks prepare the view for the final customization. Finally, click on Customize View. This is where you fine-tune what you see and how it appears. Click the highlighted option inside the Customize panel, and then click the next highlighted option to apply the view adjustments. As a general best practice, keep your view clean by showing only the columns and task details you use regularly, and save more advanced details for specialized views. And that is all there is to it.